how to lock Windows and how to unlock or remove password from Windows. Now I go to the screen, click Windows screen, then go to the icon here, click here, click on top settings. Then left side you see the option sign in options, click here, then right side go and click password. Now add password, click add, new page will be open. Here keep new password, here writing password which one you can remember easily. You keep password, then confirm password, that's mean same password rewrite and give a password in, then next, finish. Now close and have to go check password active or not. So we go Windows icon again, then click on the icon, click profile picture and log out. Now log out again, computer will open. Now you want to open, computer will ask for password. You see here asking a password. Give a password, enter, then it will be open. Okay, give password already. Now enter. Now open. Same time we learn how to unlock and remove password from Windows. Now we go Windows, then click profile picture, setting change, click here, then go sign in option again, left side signing option, then right side come on password, click here, after then downside change, click change here. Now current password write down here, then next, create a password, this three option, new password, confirm password, all keep blank, then keep next, finish, click finish, then close all. Now refresh, then we check password remove or not. Click Windows icon here, then click profile picture, log out, click, then computer will be again. You see computer open, signing, you just give enter, no need password, it will be automatic because password already removed, they are not asking for password, you open already.